Hey guys, I'm about to start the sanding process. I'm going to start on the neck, starting with 180p, wow, P180, whichever way you want to put it, going up to 600, possibly 800, depending on how fine a finish I want to put on it. I'll be doing a time lapse so that you can watch me working my butt off. So I've gone down to an 800 grit on my neck. I feel like it's going to be quite a quick neck, which I'm very pleased about. I'm very, very pleased with the way that it's turned out. It's come up very, very nicely. I had to spend a bit of time up here on the headstock because the way it was machined had the cut going along the wrong direction against the grain. So it's took me a while. There's a couple of marks that I couldn't manage to get out, but I'm okay with it. The face has come up wonderfully. I'm extremely impressed with the face of the headstock. I believe it's going to come up quite nicely when I finish it.